In this lecture, I will show you how you can make this 3D object in AutoCAD 3D. So let's start with a scratch file. Start new file, AutoCAD basic template. Okay, open. Okay, that is by default in the drafting mode. So I will change into 3D modeling mode so that I can use the 3D features. Okay, so now I will make this drawing by making different elements, and then I will combine at the end to make this 3D object. Okay, first of all I will make this vertical element, then horizontal element, then subtract these two options, and then you will see the 3D object will appear in the AutoCAD. So its width, that is a 5 by 8, its height is 2.24, that is 2 1 by 4. So let's start with rectangle. Okay, so select any point. Before starting, I will shift into 3D mode. For that I will select view, unsaved view, and here I will select southeast isometric, that is a 3D view, perspective view. So now I will select rectangle, click anywhere. Okay, then I will give the dimensions of this this element. Okay, so that is the width is 5 by 8 and the height is 2.25 and the length is 5. So I will put the width and length. So first of all, the width dimension. So in this direction, software in the x direction take the length, so that's why in this direction I will put 5 by 8, 5 by 8, and the other direction, that is 5. Okay, so here you can see the element, top element. So now I will extrude upward, that is 2.25. In the previous lecture I have shown with the press pull command. Now I will show with the extrude command. Okay, extrude command, select the object, enter. Now specify the height you want to make upward projection. So I will put 2.25, that is equal to 2 1 by 4. Okay, so that element is created. Now I will create the second element. Okay, whose this horizontal element whose length is 3 minus 5 by 8, 3 minus this 5 by 8, this total width that is 3, and 5 by 8, that is 19 by 8. Now I will draw the second element, that is a horizontal bottom element. For that I will select a rectangle. Okay, so total width, that is 3, and I will subtract this width 5 by 8, 3 minus 5 by 8, the remaining length is 2.375 or 19 by 8. Okay, I will pick any point. Okay, then I will enter dimension D, then I will enter first length, that is 19 by 8, the other side length, that is 5. Okay, which side I want? On the same side. Okay, so now I will extrude upward, that is 3 by 4, select this, enter extrude. Okay, how much extrude? 3 by 4 or 0.75, 0.75 equal to 3 by 4. Okay, now these two elements are created. Okay, now I will combine these two elements by using move command. Okay, here in the I am using the minimize menu, so that's why my icons are not appearing. I will use the move command, select the base point from this and join to this element. Okay, so now I will again go back. Now this bottom and vertical element is created. Now I will create this side element, okay, means the subtraction element, so whose length is 1 and whose other length is 3 by 4. I will pick line command, okay, here, and move in this direction by 1 unit length, okay. I will hit enter. Again select the line command, click at this point, okay, and enter 3 by 4. Okay, you got. Now I will connect with the previous line. Now I will select these three lines and enter the command join. Okay, now I will make the mirror of this. I will select this and in the modify here mirror command, okay, I will mirror at the center, enter. In the 3D we have to select in 3 points to rotate this object on the other side, okay, enter. So I want to erase the previous my source, no, okay, here is the mirror. So now I will make the third element, that is a triangular element, okay, which start at this point and ending at this point, okay. I will select a line command, okay. I can start from this point or this point, either side. So I am doing from this side, okay, enter. Oh, and now I will select all these 3 points and make a join command. Before I will use press pull command. I want to show you the 3D view here. The two elements are already created. Now I will use the press pull command, okay, here press pull command. Here I will bring this object up till here. So for that, now I will apply the extrude command on this triangular element, okay. Here I will select this element and enter extrude command, okay. I want to extrude in this side, how much length, that is 5, okay, enter. Now I will subtract these two objects. Before subtracting these two objects, I will make the union of these all three elements. I will select this element and this element and go here. That is a union command. You can enter in the command area. I am using direct uh, this, this and this, enter, okay. Now all these three elements are become the one part, okay. Now I will go in the shaded, in the 2D wireframe. I will select this and using press and pull upward, again select this element, okay. Now I will subtract these two sides. How? Here in the 3D shaded area, shaded 3D view, okay. So how? Just enter the command subtract, okay, subtract. Now I will select the parent object first, hit enter. Now select the object you want to delete, this one and this one, press enter, okay. You can see on the both sides cut edges are present, okay. Now for the center portion, okay, I will again enter the rectangle command. I will go first of all in the 2D wireframe so that I can snap easily the points. I will select rectangle, the start point. Now I will enter dimension, okay, whose width is 5 by 8 in the x direction and length is 1.25, 1.25, enter. Okay. Sorry, I have mistakenly entered 5 by 9, so that is 5 by 8. Now I will again select rectangle, this point, and enter dimensions. Here I am selecting dimensions D. Now I will enter 5 by 8 and the length is 1.25. Enter. Okay, so on this side, now I will make copy, modify, copy. Okay, from this point make the copy on the other side. Now I will make a this rectangular portion for the deleting. I will make a rectangular portion here. I am selecting this point, and to make the snap I will enter the length 5. You can enter any length 5. Okay, enter. Now I will copy this length, copy from this point to this point. Now I will join these two lines to make the rectangle. One. Okay, again one line on this side. Okay, now 4 lines are present. I will select all 4 lines. Okay, and use the join command. Now the rectangle is ready. Now I will use the press and pull or extrude command. Here press and pull. I will select this object, okay, and move downward. Okay, so move downward how much? That is 7 by 8. I will enter 7 by 8. Okay, 7 by 8. So now let's see in the 3D shaded view. Okay, now I have to delete this object. I will use the subtract command. Okay, first of all I will select the original object, press enter. Now select the object which you want to delete. Select this object, press enter. Now I will delete these reference lines, all reference lines. Delete. Okay, so now you can see the same object has been created in the AutoCAD. So you can also easily make the top view, front view or side view from this. How? Just use the viewports command, enter. So if I want to see 3 views, left views, right views, okay, here that is 3 views. If I want to see top view, here that is the top view. If I want to see the right side view, okay, so that's how you can make the arrangements with the viewports. So that's all for today's lecture. Have a nice day.